costing distress for the cost of a wedding breakfast. When you seem like a pumpkin surrounded by underprivileged, haunted by ghosts of the past, there will be no more love problems.
Hey man, what the matter? What's wrong with you? Whoa, 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 whoa. It's time for you to improvise. Get out of all your haunting fears and stop to be in a temper and jump that barbed wire. Yes man, this is your last boy, you know. Do it! Right!
You standing here weeping, weeping in stained distress. We are not at the opera. Don't you think that you got better things to do? Turn the